Changing the email link to your Yahoo Mail account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign in to Yahoo Mail. Go to the Yahoo Mail website and enter your current email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account security. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Manage recovery email. In the Account Security section, look for the option to manage your recovery email addresses. Click on it to view the current email linked to your account. Step 4. Add or change email. Here, you can add a new email address or edit the existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the new email address you wish to link to your Yahoo account. Step 5. Verify new email. After adding the new email, Yahoo will send a verification link to that address. Check your new email inbox, click the verification link and confirm the change. Now your Yahoo Mail account is updated with a new email address. Remember to keep your recovery options up to date for account security.